How to delete TikTok videos. If you have some old TikTok videos that you want to delete, I'll show you how to do it quickly and easily. Open your TikTok profile page. Then, open the video you want to delete. Click on the three dots here. Most options are located at the bottom of the screen, so swipe the options to the left until you see the delete option. The delete option is at the very end. Click on it. If you're sure you want to delete the video, click delete again. And that's it. The video is deleted and no one can see it, but you can restore it within 30 days. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one.